Trend Plain Glass Olive Oil Sprayer. Are you tired of uneven oil distribution when cooking? The Trend Plain Glass Olive Oil Sprayer is here to help. It gives you total control over your oil usage. The stylish glass design delivers a fine mist for salads, roasting, or greasing pans, which saves oil and calories. It's also versatile. You can use it for vinegar or soy sauce. You get both spray and pour options. This keeps your kitchen clean and organized. The precision nozzle delivers a fine mist or steady stream for perfect results. Imagine perfectly dressed salads, evenly coated pans, and controlled seasoning. This sprayer adds style, precision, and practicality to your kitchen. It makes cooking healthier and more efficient. Plus, it's easy to clean and reusable. Allkim Digital Meat Thermometer. Ever ruin a steak because you guessed the temp? The Allkim Digital Meat Thermometer ends that frustration. In seconds, it gives you an accurate reading. No more overcooked or undercooked meals. The backlit display is fantastic, even when grilling at night. It's so easy to use. Unfold it and read. The super-fast, accurate probe gives you temp readings in 1 to 2 seconds. Recalibrate it easily, too. Use it for meats, liquids, even candy. Imagine perfectly cooked dinners every time, impressing your family. No more guessing, just confident cooking. The Allkim thermometer gives you peace of mind and delicious results. It's reliable and simple. Enjoy cooking again. T-Med Meat Chopper Tool. Struggling to break up ground meat evenly? The T-Med Meat Chopper Tool is here to help. Its unique 5-blade design chops meat faster than standard choppers, saving you precious time in the kitchen. You'll get consistent results every time, perfect for tacos or spaghetti sauce. Made from heat-resistant nylon, it won't scratch your nonstick pans, so you can chop directly in the skillet. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip, even during long cooking sessions. Imagine effortlessly prepping meals with evenly cooked meat, saving time and cleanup. This tool transforms meal prep into a breeze. Enjoy quicker, easier cooking. Javar Onion Holder and Vegetable Cutter. Are you tired of struggling to slice onions evenly? The Javar Onion Holder is here to help. It securely holds your vegetables, keeping your fingers safe from the blade. You get consistent, even slices every time. This tool is designed with stainless steel forks for a firm grip. It prevents slipping, so you can cut with confidence. You can use it on tomatoes, lemons, and even meats. Imagine prepping meals faster, with less mess and no more uneven cuts. The Javar Onion Holder makes cooking easier and safer. It's the simple solution for better slicing, giving you professional results at home. A compact design means easy storage. This gives you more time to enjoy your meals. Hot-Tech Locking Kitchen Tong Set. Ever fumble with slippery food on the grill? Introducing the Hot-Tech Locking Kitchen Tongs. These tongs make handling hot foods safe and easy. You get a set of 2, a 9-inch and a 12-inch tong. The silicone tips protect your non-stick pans from scratches. Plus, the stainless steel build is super durable and heat-resistant. The locking design saves space in your drawers, making storage simple. Imagine flipping steaks with confidence or serving pasta without a mess. These tongs give you precision and control. Upgrade your kitchen with these practical, sturdy tongs, making cooking easier and more enjoyable every time. Kong Nai Silicone Funnel Set. Ever make a mess transferring liquids? The Kong Nai Funnel Set solves that. It lets you pour cleanly, no more spills. You get multiple sizes, perfect for everything from refilling spice jars to pouring sauces. The best part? These funnels are collapsible. You save tons of space in your drawers. No more bulky plastic funnels taking over your kitchen. Cleaning is also easy. Just toss them in the dishwasher. Imagine a kitchen where you aren't constantly wiping up spills. These funnels make cooking smoother and faster. These handy gadgets are heat-resistant and food-grade. Simplify your life and enjoy a cleaner cooking experience with this set. Rex Betty Razor Blade Scraper Tool. Struggling with stubborn gunk stuck on surfaces? Introducing the Rex Betty Razor Blade Scraper Tool. This handy tool makes removing labels and grime a breeze. It's perfect for glass, stovetops, or counters without scratching. You'll love the replaceable stainless steel blade and ergonomic handle. It gives you comfort and total control. Plus, the blade retracts for safety when not in use. Imagine easily cleaning sticky messes from mirrors, tiles, or windows. The Rex Betty Scraper makes surface cleaning simple and quick. Its sturdy build handles heavy use, keeping your kitchen and home sparkling. Vibarit Herb Scissor and Leaf Stripper. Dreading herb prep? Chopping chives evenly can be a pain. This Vibarit Herb Scissor Leaf Stripper solves that. The multi-blade design lets you chop multiple herbs at once. You'll get perfect garnishes with ease. The leaf stripper removes herbs from stems quickly. You'll save so much time. It's stainless steel, so it's safe and easy to clean. Imagine perfectly prepped salads, effortlessly. Spend less time prepping and more time enjoying delicious fresh herbs. It's compact, practical, and simplifies herb prep for every meal. Enjoy consistently cut herbs stress-free. Jet Kong Kitchen Tweezers struggling to precisely place garnishes? Do you fumble when trying to arrange delicate ingredients? The Jet Kong Kitchen Tweezers offer a solution. These stainless steel tweezers give you ultimate control. The ergonomic design makes them easy to hold, improving accuracy. You can now create restaurant-quality plating at home. Forget dropping that basil leaf or struggling with tiny chocolate shavings. These tweezers are durable, easy to clean, and lightweight. They give you the finesse you need. Now, serving beautiful, perfectly arranged dishes is achievable. Upgrade your plating game today. Landcord Appliance Cord Organizer. Cords cluttering your counters? Blenders, mixers, all those messy cords? The Landcord Appliance Cord Organizer is a simple fix. This little gadget keeps your cords neatly wrapped and out of the way. You get 8 in a pack, easy to stick on. The soft rubber material bends to fit any appliance. You can say goodbye to tangled cords and messy drawers. Plus, that sticky adhesive really holds tight. Imagine opening a drawer and seeing everything organized. A small change that makes a huge difference in your cooking routine. Finally, a tidy kitchen. Safring Manual Can Opener. Ever struggle opening cans? Tired of flimsy openers? The Safring Manual Can Opener solves that. Its strong stainless steel blade glides easily through any can, big or small. The comfy handle prevents hand fatigue, even opening multiple cans. You get clean, smooth edges, eliminating sharp hazards and food waste. The built-in bottle opener adds extra value. Imagine prepping dinner quickly and safely, no struggling, no sharp edges. It's compact for easy storage, simple to clean, and makes cooking easier. This reliable tool offers convenient meal prep every time. McNoy Glass Oil Sprayer and Dispenser. Ever struggle with too much oil when cooking? The McNoy Glass Oil Sprayer is here to help. It's both a dispenser and sprayer, so you can pour or mist. This gives you control over how much oil you use, perfect for salads or air frying. You get a fine, even coating without waste. Refilling is easy and cleaning is simple. Imagine perfectly dressed salads and evenly coated pans. It's compact and reusable, so it's good for you and the earth. This sprayer reduces waste, simplifies cooking, and improves your health. Get precision and style in one tool. Zulay Silicone Utensil Rest. Annoyed by messy drips all over your stove? I found a solution, the Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. It's a simple tool that makes a big difference. This rest has raised edges to catch drips, so you don't have to scrub your counters constantly. With its 4 slots, you have space for multiple utensils, keeping everything separate and organized while you cook. Imagine cooking without the worry of making a mess. No more hunting for a clean spot to set your spoon, just a tidy and stress-free cooking space. It keeps your cooking area organized and neat.